Tonight, August 2nd, if you step outside and look towards the east, you might catch the subtle glow of the waning gibbous moon, a pearly orb hanging low, still quite full at 86% illumination, yet clearly past its prime, slowly surrendering its light back to the cosmic canvas. This is a moment of quiet reflection, a serene end to the day unfolding before us. What you're seeing now, in this time-lapse, is the previous 24 hours compressed, a journey through yesterday's sky, August 1st, beginning just as the deepest part of night gave way to the first whispers of dawn. As the pre-dawn hours of yesterday bled into morning, the moon we now admire in the night sky was already a prominent feature, making its dignified descent towards the western horizon. To the ancient Greeks, this very sight inspired tales and early scientific inquiry. They knew the moon intimately, calling her Selene, the goddess herself, who drove her silver chariot across the heavens. For them, the moon was not merely a rock in space, but a divine presence, a sister to Helios, the sun, and Eos, the dawn. Later, Artemis, goddess of the hunt, became closely associated with the moon's untamed wildness, her bow mirroring the moon's crescent form. Imagine the earliest Greek observers, like Thales of Miletus, gazing at that very moon, attempting to predict eclipses, seeking to understand its cycles not just through myth, but through observation and reason. They were laying the groundwork for astronomy, connecting the celestial ballet to earthly understanding. As the eastern horizon ignited with the fiery arrival of the sun, chasing away the remnants of night, our perspective shifts dramatically. This daily reawakening isn't just a beautiful spectacle, it's a powerful reminder of the star that sustains all life in our solar system. Beyond its visible light and warmth, our sun is an astonishingly active body, constantly blowing out a stream of charged particles known as the solar wind. This wind, traveling at supersonic speeds, carves out an enormous, protective bubble around our entire solar system, called the heliosphere. Think of it as our solar system's personal shield, a truly vast magnetic bubble extending far beyond Pluto, protecting us from the harsher, more energetic cosmic rays that permeate interstellar space. Without the heliosphere, the inner solar system and indeed Earth would be bombarded by these high-energy particles, making life as we know it far more challenging, if not impossible. The boundaries of this heliosphere are not static. They breathe and flex, influenced by the sun's activity, and represent the outermost frontier of our cosmic home, where the sun's influence gives way to the vastness of the galaxy. It's a dynamic, invisible barrier, constantly pushed and pulled by the interstellar medium it travels through. As the sun began its majestic descent yesterday evening, painting the western sky in hues of orange and purple, the heliosphere continued its silent vigil, a testament to the sun's pervasive power, even as its light fades from our immediate view. With the sun now below the horizon in this visual journey, and darkness returning, the celestial stage is once again set for the moon and stars. The ancient Greeks weren't just content with mythologizing the moon, they were also among the first to attempt to measure its distance. Think of Aristarchus of Samos, a brilliant mind who, even without telescopes, devised a clever geometric method to estimate the moon's distance from Earth by observing its position during a lunar eclipse. While his calculations weren't perfectly accurate by modern standards, due to limitations in instruments, his approach was revolutionary, a profound leap towards scientific astronomy. His work, alongside other Greek thinkers, laid the foundation for understanding our place in the cosmos, transforming celestial bodies from mere gods into objects of study. They recognized the moon as a sphere reflecting sunlight, not a source of light itself. A crucial insight. As the night deepens and the moon, perhaps Selene herself, begins to rise again, completing our visual circle, remember the blend of ancient wonder and nascent science that first sought to comprehend these timeless celestial travelers. It is this enduring quest for knowledge that continues to illuminate our understanding of the universe.